Background fabric for slow stitching and fabric collage sets the base of your art projects. This 100% linen bundle of 7 neutral earth toned colors, cut 8 by 10 inches, includes a harvest gold colored linen. This is a medium weight linen. Close up. This is the back. This is a khaki tan colored linen. I believe this is a washed linen. There's a little more movement in this than the traditional stiff crisp linen. There's a weave of that. Okay. This is a yellow maize colored, very pale yellow color. It's a little lighter weight than the previous two, but it's not a handkerchief linen. It's pretty crisp. There's a little bit of transparency, but not too much. You see my hand behind it. Okay. This is a medium brown colored linen. There's the front. This is also softer, so I don't think it's a wash, but it's just softer. Okay. This is a medium weight black linen. Okay, front and the back. The weave is a little bit more loose than the previous ones. And you see my hand behind it. But keep in mind, I have a light lamp that's directly above me. So without the lamp, you would not be able to see my hand. Okay. This is a taupe colored linen. It's a tighter weave. It's between lighter weight and medium. Not quite medium, but not really that light either. Right in the middle between those two. As you can see, the weave is tighter on this one. Okay. And this last piece, it's a little more crisp. It's a little heavier weight. This is an espresso brown color. You can see the weave is quite tight. This would be used maybe on furniture perhaps, but it's not so heavy that you cannot use it for crafts also. In fact, let's see how it is as far as hand sewing is concerned. I have a size 8 needle, embroidery needle, and 3 strands of embroidery floss. Okay, so you can sew this. So for my hand stitchers out there, hand sewers, and slow stitchers, that will work. Okay. If you like this palette, the link is in the description below.